Hey guys, so here's a short little video on how to reset the configuration. Let's just say something goes wrong, if something is not assigned properly, whatever it may be, this is how you will reset the controllers. So you're gonna go through, you're gonna find the options tab, and once you find that, you just hit your A button to go into it, go down to RetroPie Setup, hit A, and once it loads up into the Linux menu, you're going to go down to Configuration Tools, hit A, go down to Emulation Station, hit A, take a second to load. You'll hit A to clear Reset Emulation Station Input. It says, are you sure you want to do that? Just hit yes, hit OK, and then you're going to back out of here. So hit cancel, then you're going to go to back, go to perform reboot. Are you sure you want to reboot? Yes. And that will reboot the system and you're good to go.